Hello everybody. On this video I just want to show a 2008 Mercedes gl450. The problem with this truck is no start, no communications to the scanner, and it won't do nothing. So I want to show what I found. Here I have pulled the driver's seat, and I can see, signs of water damage or water intrusion. And what happened, this module is called the central gateway module, which it kind of distributes all the signals to the computers, and it got short out by the water. Here we go. Let's see there. We can see the corrosion and all that. Here on the we see some water damage on the connector. So anyway, we specialize on Mercedes, BMW, so just give us a call 214-207-2619. Thanks.